Welcome, and my name is the Tecno Camon C8, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, you want to open up settings, and from settings you want to navigate into storage and memory, which is right here, and choose your SD card. And scroll down and you should see erase SD card. Tap on it and you get a message, erase SD card, you will lose all data on the card. Yep. And confirm it once more. Wait a moment and it should be done just in a second, and there it is. And now the SD card is fully cleared of all data and ready to be used again. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.